We should not be discouraged by our failure to detect extraterrestrial radio signals. After all, we looked at only 2 stars and with only a single frequency.
At the present time, I am more hopeful than I've ever been that very soon, and by that I mean within years, we will detect the signals from another world.
FAST is the largest single-dish antenna that has ever been built. It has a diameter of 500 meters. And just to give you some concrete scale, if you fill it with fried rice, everybody in the world will get 2 bowls of rice. I will be more than happy if we can make the first contact. There are 2 modes of attack. One approach we are taking is to look at the sky blindly. We just let the Earth rotate, and its line of sight will move across the sky. The survey will be about 10 times deeper than has ever been attempted before. Second approach is to target known exoplanets, particularly those nearby planets that has been discovered with great missions such as Kepler and TESS. They have been many instances of promising candidates. We are also planning and also testing a dedicated so-called tracking survey of the Milky Way's sibling, the Andromeda Galaxy. There, even with FAST, we cannot detect human-like technologies, but we should be able to detect a transmitter with the power of a so-called Kardashev Type 2 civilization.